Cool. All right, we're going live. We're gonna wait a little bit because it's only the three of us. How you doing?
How you doing?
What's up, kid? I'll wait like a couple minutes. It's just gonna be us, just us four.
All right. I'll just whenever they come, that's fine.
All right. So we're gonna be looking at a GBP for the first pair.
All right.
So GBP from the 17th, we have this little spike, and then goes down to the 20th and the 21st. So this is what we're gonna bank on. So if we go to,
Sorry, can't see your screen.
you can't see my screen?
Yeah, it's showing the GBPUSD chart.
Where is it on?
It's showing your GBPUSD chart.
It's not on the Hugos anymore?
Hello?
It's on GBPUSD.
Okay, are we back on the seasonal now or no? What do you guys
Nah.
No,
You have to reshare your screen.
How do I reshare?
you click on share right below, and then select the first option on your top left.
It's better?
Yeah, that's it.
Perfect. Okay. So appears from the 17th. It moves up a little bit on the 18th, 19th, and then drops on the 19th to the 21st. And that's Friday. That's when we'll exit. And it should have a little from the 10th, from the 11th. If we go and look from the right here from the 10th, it makes that up move. It's coming down, and then we should expect a pullback of like 30 pips ish, and then it should fall. So if we use the BK supply and demand on the 4-hour, it's going to come up. We think it's going to hit around this spot, and then after that we should expect about, I like the day view instead if we use the PZ support and resistance. This looks like a mighty tasty, I want to say, because look at this. It goes from this line from where I think, and then it's about 200, oh, not that one, 200 pips to the start of the, or to the bottom of the supply box, or support box. Yeah, supply box. I'd like that. And then another trade that we're looking at is USD. Actually, the COT for GBP aligns as well. Right here. On the short side, there's already 133,000. They're adding 5,000 more. That's pretty good.
That's a lot.
One more time. I'm sorry, what was that?
Oh no, nothing. I was just like, that's a lot of positions.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And then if we go to the GBP USD seasonal, or I mean the probability, in February. So from the 11th to the 15th. It says, I know on the 13th, this is the only opposite day, but this is what we're banking on, these 4 days right here. So GBPUSD sell around this area, and we're looking to catch about 185 pips. I like that. Or bring it down here about 205 pips. I like that. If we go to the USD trade. What was that? Somebody say something.
I didn't hear anything.
Okay. So for the USD from the 17th, so from Monday, rises all the way to the 21st, Friday. So that looks good. The thing I didn't like was for the COT. They added positions, actually. And then the probability for it for USDCAD and JPY, I like. Let's see. Oops. So USDCAD. So buy. Again, it's another 4 days, 60, 52, 48, 64, and then a 60.
Okay, 5 days run.
A 5-day run? Oh, you
Yeah,
want to go to the 22nd?
Yeah, I mean, we can go all the way through, but because of Wednesday, we have a pullback on Wednesday, so it's kind of a shaky probability on Wednesday. But if we get a good position on Monday, then I think we can ride it all the way through.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, the season already shows that USD is going to tank, right? And if we looked at the season of the CAD as well, show is going to fall.
Yeah, I was going to go to that. Okay.
Oh, okay, my bad. I'm too fast.
Oh, no, you're good. Because, yes, if we do go to the seasonal from the 17th, it is way up here on the 5-year and the 15-year, but the 40-year is not really, but it falls all the way down to the 22nd. So that's a really good trade, too. I like that. And then we're also looking at USDJPY. Oh, hold on. I didn't even go to this yet, did I? Okay. So we're expecting, at least with the 200 moving average on the 4-hour, we want to expect a pullback to here. I was thinking maybe the 50 EMA, but you think 60 pips now? Okay. Oh, well, this is changing actually. This used to be below. Okay. Well, my bad. I'm just gonna add these in here real quick.
Sure. What's the COT report for CAD saying?
For CAD?
Yeah.
They're shorting as well, but they took out 23, but they also took out for the long.
Okay.
I mean, that's not exactly what I would be looking for ideally, but I mean, that's still good. So I'd probably expect like probably about a 15 pip pullback, get a good entry, and then ride it for about, I think it's about 130 pips, something like that.
That's a lot.
Yeah, or 100 pips. That's good too. 100 pips is 100 pips. I like that. And then USDJPY. It's another. Oh, yes. So from the 12th, so Tuesday to Friday. We go here. Should be the 4 hour. One more time.
This seems like a better stretch. It has more is more consistent than the other one.
USDJPY.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I like it more too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it might have been this one that I was thinking of for the moving average. Yes. So it should make a pullback of about 30 pips, and then after that it should come up. 70 pips isn't bad, but I think this area right here where it would close this previous gap, I don't know, that's just my opinion. I would like it to close that. That would look really nice for 139 pips.
Yeah, it looks good.
Did anybody else see anything or have questions, anything?
Ideally, when is the entry for this one meant to be?
For USDJPY?
Yeah.
Right here. So price is right here. I want it to drop like 30 pips, like at the bottom of the supply zone. Close to like the 200 EMA, or on the 200 EMA if you want.
So we're looking at Monday or Tuesday.
Monday.
Monday, okay. Wow.
So Monday for GBP USD, and if you guys want to, USDCAD, and then USDJPY will be on Tuesday.
So I was looking at EURCAD earlier. I don't know what you think about it.
Oh, sorry, say that again.
I was looking at EURCAD earlier. I don't know what you think about it.
I was looking at all the euros, and I didn't think any of the probabilities held in, but I'll look at it again. Yeah. I said it sounded like you kind of like a robot. I can't hear you, man.
It's breaking. Whoever is talking is breaking.
Okay, now you sound good. But this is a EURCAD. This is like a complete opposite. This is all buys. You look at like the euro. I know CAD falls, but euro, it's like euro on the 17th. It's supposed to be falling to the 22nd, but the probabilities say it's supposed to buy, so those don't match up.
Yeah.
And then COT, this COT, they want to buy too. I didn't like it personally.
All right.
Was there any other trades anybody else looked at?
What about
No,
you?
brother.
What was that?
So the pound.
The pound?
Yeah. If you look at a signal, right, on the pounds, I think the pounds is going to have a massive fall anyway.
Yes. Yeah, we had talked about a GBPUSD.
Yeah, so I mean, it makes sense, right, against the USD since pounds is falling and then USD is going up. So they're kind of doing the inverse at the moment. So there should be more strength coming in for the dollar against the pound at the moment. I mean, I don't know. What do you think?
For this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanna sell GBP.
Ah, okay. My bad. You good?
Yeah, I started off with GBP. We said we were gonna pull back up to around this area, like the top of the demand zone.
Yeah.
Fall to ideally like to the supply zone. So 200 pips. I wanna, like, if it got here, that'd be really cool. But if it got here, I'd be more than happy.
Okay, about 200 pips maximum, 180 pips. Right. What if it goes beyond that? Can I see that on the daily chart? I see it on the daily chart.
One more time.
Yeah. I just want to look at it on the daily chart. You see on the green zone where the PZ line is, not the red one, the one below that.
This one?
Yeah. How many pips is that to the entry zone?
292.
Okay. That looks good. I mean, since the pound is going to have a massive fall anyway, it could get there. There's a possibility.
Really?
I mean, it's a possibility. I mean, it's already on a downtrend anyway. If you look at it, it's already falling.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't have any further questions.
Does anybody else?
Nope. We're good. We're good.
So basically, we should wait for a pullback on pound USD.
Did you say pound CHF? I'm sorry?
Well, I think so basically, we should watch out for the pullback on pound USD to get an entry then.
Yeah. We want price to come back like 30 pips.
Okay.
Personally, I mean, I don't know if I'll be on the charts when it happens, so I'll probably get a sell limit in or something, like just in case if it hits the order in chain I'm not looking at.
Okay.
But if no one has any questions, concerns, or trade ideas, then that's it.
Okay. Thank you very much, Cutler.
Thank you guys for coming in.
Thank you very much for your time.
All right. Just take care.